In today's lesson for beginners, we're going to talk about whether to use a pick or your fingers to learn guitar. So using a pick or fingerstyle. Now, if you are interested in seeing separate lessons on how to use a pick and how to play with the pick, please check the video out on that. And I also have a video on fingerstyle, so you can check that out if you need more information. I'm just going to talk about the essences of using a pick and the essences of using your fingers when you're playing, and whether or not you should learn one or the other. Okay, for this demonstration I will use a clair de la lune, and I will play with a pick first, just a melody. Alright, now I will use my fingers to play just a melody. Now I will use my thumb to play the bass with the melody. And now I will play with the pick, just the accompaniment. So I'll just use a simple strumming pattern, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and change the chords. And you can sense the differences in the texture and the sound. And one more example with the fingerstyle accompaniment. I hope this demonstration has kind of shown you what you can do with different techniques. As far as what I would recommend you learn, of course you're going to have to kind of balance between the joy of playing something that you really want to learn, whether it's strumming or fingerstyle, and go with that first. But I would try and practice both ways so that your hands are ready to do both of these techniques. All right, have a good day. Until next time, see you then.